Hello student, my name is Varsha Tengire from Department of Computer Science of Professor Ramakrishna More College. Today we are going to discuss topology in cybersecurity. So let's see what is meant by topology. Topology. So let's see what is topology. Topology is the physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connections in a computer network. It describes how devices are connected and how data flows between them. नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी म्हणजे नेटवर्कमध्ये नोड्स एकमेकांशी भौतिकरित्या कसे कनेक्ट केले जातात आणि कनेक्शन नंतर कम्युनिकेशन कसे केले जाते याचा अर्थ म्हणजे नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी. देर आर बेसिकली टू टाइप्स ऑफ टोपोलॉजी, physical topology and logical topology. Physical topology is the physical layout of a nodes, workstations and cables in the network, while logical topology is the way information flows between the different components. Let's see the types of topologies. Basically, there are 6 types of topologies: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. Let's see one by one. Bus topology. In bus topology, all the computers are connected through the common communication media. One long cable is used as a single communication channel and all the devices are connected to this cable. So this central wire is called as a bus. So the computers are attached to the bus at the end of the bus topology. It is the cheapest network. बस टोपोलॉजी मध्ये सगळे स्टेशन्स हे कनेक्टेड असतात एका कॉमन वायरला. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, in housing we are use the bus topology. All the switches of our houses are connected to the main cable. Let's see the advantage and disadvantage of bus topology. What are the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology? Bus topology is less expensive, easy to use, easy to install, easy to expand this network. Disadvantages are, if the main cable goes down, then whole network goes down. जर मेन केबलच तुमची फेल गेली तर होल नेटवर्क तुमचं डाऊन होणार आहे. Star topology. In star topology, all the nodes are connected to the central hub. इथे आपण हब किंवा राउटर और स्विच असा यूज करतो आणि सगळे नोड्स हे मेन हबला किंवा राउटरला कनेक्टेड असतात आणि जर त्यांना कम्युनिकेशन करायचं असेल तर ते मेन हब थ्रूच एकमेकांशी कम्युनिकेट करू शकतात. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द ॲडव्हान्टेज अँड डिसॲडव्हान्टेज ऑफ स्टार टोपोलॉजी. Easily expanded and modified, easy to troubleshoot, multiple cables type supported by the hub. Disadvantages are, if hub fails, the entire network will fail, require more cables, and it is expensive than bus topology. यामध्ये जर सेंट्रल नोड किंवा सेंट्रल हब जर तुमचं अपयशी झाले तर संपूर्ण नेटवर्कवरती त्याचा परिणाम होतो. Ring topology. Ring topology is a type of network topology in which all the computers are connected to each other in the shape of ring. That is, last computer is always connected with the first computer. Sending and receiving data takes place with the help of token. रिंग बस टोपोलॉजी मध्ये प्रत्येक नोड हा इतर नोड्सला जोडलेला असतो आणि अशा प्रकारे एक सर्क्युलर नेटवर्क तयार होते. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द ॲडव्हान्टेज. What are the advantages and disadvantages of ring topology? It is from strong network, required less cabling. Each computer has equal access to resources. It is less expensive as well as easy to install. So disadvantages are, If one node goes down, it takes down the whole network. It is slow in speed and traffic is unidirectional. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, each of the network node or computer or other devices are interconnected with one another with a dedicated path or point-to-point link. In mesh topology, a network topology where each node transmits the data across the network. All the nodes in this topology cooperate to distribute the data across the network. मेश टोपोलॉजी मध्ये प्रत्येक नोड हा एकमेकांशी कनेक्टेड असतो. Let's see what are the advantage and disadvantage of mesh topology. It is very good topology to send the private messages because direct connections is available in between the nodes. If a particular machine is failed, then the entire network will not fail. Disadvantages are it is very difficult to add some new node because each and every node is computer directly connected to the another one. So more cables are required. Tree topology. It is also called as a hierarchical topology. Basically, it is a combination of bus topology and star topology. This topology divides the network into the multiple levels and layers. It includes the root node, intermediate node and ultimate node. ट्री टोपोलॉजी मध्ये बस टोपोलॉजीचा आणि स्टार टोपोलॉजी यांचा संयोजन केलेला आहे. या टोपोलॉजी मध्ये प्रत्येक लेयर्स मध्ये विभाजित केलेला आहे. प्रत्येक रूट नोड आणि इंटरमिजिएट नोड आणि अल्टिमेट नोड यांचा समावेश आहे. या नेटवर्कचं उत्तम उदाहरण म्हणजे केबल टीव्ही तंत्रज्ञान. Let's see advantage and disadvantages of tree topology. These secondary nodes allow the central node to connect the more devices. There is a point-to-point connection between the devices. The different layers of a network are easier to manage. Disadvantage is when the network is very large, network maintenance can become a problem. जेव्हा नेटवर्क खूप मोठी असते तेव्हा नेटवर्क मेंटेनन्सची एक समस्या निर्माण होऊ शकते. ट्री टोपोलॉजी मध्ये अनेक बस टोपोलॉजी मिळून बनते. त्यामुळे जेव्हा याचा आधारस्तंभ बाधित होतो म्हणजेच मेन केबल तुमची बाधित होते तेव्हा पूर्ण नेटवर्क हे तुमचं बाधित होते. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology use the combination of any two or more topology in such a way that resulting network does not exhibit one of the standard topology. There is a bus star combination and ring star combination. हायब्रिड टोपोलॉजी हे दोन किंवा अधिक बेसिक टोपोलॉजीचे इंटरकनेक्शन आहे. यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या दोन टोपोलॉजीचा यूज केला जातो आणि प्रत्येक नेटवर्कमध्ये परिणामी कोणतीही मानक टोपोलॉजी प्रदर्शित करत नाही. इंटरनेट हे हायब्रिड टोपोलॉजीचे उत्तम उदाहरण. Let's see the advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is easily increase the size of network. It is easier to find and troubleshoot. Scalable as the size can be easily increased. They are flexible. So hybrid topology is a combination of two or more topology. For example, star ring network and star bus network. Let's see the disadvantages of hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a complex and difficult to design. So the hubs used to connect the two distinct networks are very expensive. So cost is high in the hybrid topology. So today we will stop here. Thank you. Let's see some questions on topology. First question is, physical or logical arrangement of network is what? Options are topology, routing, networking, and control. And the right answer is topology. Second question is, which network topology requires a central controller or hub. And the right answer is star topology. Third question. Dash topology is a combination of two or more topologies. And the right answer is hybrid topology. Last question. Which topology requires multi-point connection? And the right answer is bus topology. Thank you so much for watching this video. For any queries, you can contact on rmcvarshatengere@gmail.com.